Within Microsoft Teams, you're able to set up teams for projects that you might be working on or groups that you belong to. You can have chats around things that are relevant to those groups, and you can share files and documents that are relevant to the group, allowing virtual collaboration. To help explain how a team works, let's create a new team. To do this, simply click on Teams from the menu on the left-hand side, and then click on Create a Team, which shows at the bottom of the Teams list. This then changes the window to the right to show some options. It looks a bit like Yammer in that you can see other public teams, and if you hover over them you can request to join. However, we're going to focus on creating a new team, so we're simply going to click on Create a Team. This then opens up a new window and we're going to select Create a New Team from Scratch. The window changes again and you can create a public or private team. We're going to create a private team, which means we can control who is a member. And if you change your mind about creating a team from scratch, you can click back in the bottom left of the window. Or if you change your mind entirely about creating a team, click the cross in the top right, just as you would do in any other Microsoft application. We're going ahead with this, and then the window changes, so we give our team a name, and then we can add a description if we want to, but it's not essential. And then we just click on Create when we're done. You'll then see a little image telling you nice work, and then the screen will move on to this one. And here you can add people to the team that you've created. Simply start typing in their name and it will find people from our Macmillan directory. At the moment, we cannot create teams with people outside of Macmillan as a member. When you've found the name of who you want to be a member, and just type in the name of everyone who you want to be a part of the team, when you're done, click on Add. All of the individuals will now be in the list like this one. Whether you have one person in the list or several, they will all show up as a member. Members of teams are either members or owners. It's best practice to always have at least one other owner. As an owner, you can add new members and you can have some admin rights, so it's really important to have more than one owner in case one of them leaves. Because you are creating a team, you are automatically an owner. So when you're creating your teams and adding members, just click on the click member there, see the drop down, and then you can make someone else an owner too. And when you're done, just click on close. And there we go. It takes me back to the teams view and I can see my new team, which I call Test Project, is now in my list of teams. And we can see here that it's automatically created a channel called General. Whenever you create a new team, it will always create a channel called General. A team cannot exist without a channel, and a channel cannot exist without a team, so the two always co-create at the same time. Because I'm in the General channel of the Test Project, the pane on the right is showing the General channel. And I know I'm in the General channel because at the top left of the pane, it's saying the word General. So that's how you can navigate and know where you are. When you first create a team, the pane will have some options that you can use if you want to add more people, create more channels, or see the FAQs. But this isn't the only way or opportunity that you can do any of those things, as we will see as we work through this. There are a couple of tabs within the channel. We've got Posts, which is very similar to the overall chat function in Teams, and we've got Files, which is where we can share work and collaborate in real time. There's also a tab you'll see there for Wiki, but as this doesn't have much functionality behind it at the moment, we won't be focusing on it here.